Today we are going to talk about plastic bottles. Yes. How harmful are the plastic bottles or the plastic containers to the human beings? Not only human beings, it is also harmful to the living beings and the aquatic creatures. So let's get started. This video has 5 different topics. The first topic is what are the chemicals involved in a plastic container or a plastic water bottle. The second thing is what are the diseases those chemicals can cause and how those chemicals can affect your body. The third thing is what are the most commonly made mistakes by the human. And the fourth thing is going to be the solution of this video, the solution for the problem. And the fifth thing is going to be the action taking step. What is the solution and how we should adapt the solution in order to make our life better. So let's go into the video. Before going into the core of the video, I would like to tell you a thing, just a random thing. People used to wear silver, gold or kind of platinum chains. What it actually does is, after wearing it few months or after wearing few years, what happens is it just rubs on your neck and very minute particles of silver or very little particles of the gold might go into your body. Listen, this process happens when very small particles of silver, for an example silver, goes into our body. It is good for our health. Keep this in your mind. Now let us dive into the plastic topic. First of all, what are the most important chemicals in the plastic water bottle? Look, there are lots of chemical in the plastic container or in the plastic. But in this video, we are going to pick the four most toxic and the 4 most harmful plastic chemicals in this video. The first one is BPA and the second one is BPS and the third one is PVC and the fourth one is phthalates. Now let's have a very short note on each and every chemical. BPA, that means bisphenol A. It is a synthetic estrogen compound which can leach into your food components when it is heated. This BPA disrupts the whole hormone system and it also rapidly affects your reproductive health and your reproductive system. BPA is one of the most toxic and most harmful chemical which is found in plastic. Listen, BPA mostly reacts when it is heated. Now the problem is we people are pouring warm water in plastic containers. We people are using hot waters in plastic containers. And not only that, we are also giving sun exposure to the plastic bottles. What happens is, after few days, even after few weeks, this BPA will get mixed into your food and your water. Then think how bad and how harmful it is. The next chemical is BPS. BPS, that means bisphenol S. Bisphenol S exposure has been linked to impaired neural function. That means it is going to affect your brain health very badly. And the third chemical is polyvinyl chloride. That means PVC. PVC is the most toxic chemical which is found in our planet for the living beings. It is very harmful. This is linked to cancer, inflammation. It also affects your reproductive health and it also affects your body physically. Just think, these are the chemicals which is present in our water bottle. How bad and how harmful it is. And the fourth toxic chemical is phthalates. This is a very harmful chemical, and this plays a very vital role in affecting your reproductive health, both in men and female, and it is also a very big reason for infertility. And this can change the timings of the puberty. That means it can cause the puberty at an earlier stage. And this also plays a very important role in breast cancer, and it also toxics your liver and kidneys. Not only this, it also reduces the testosterone level in men. There is a research conducted in US with 5,000 people. The age range of the people was 55 to 64. This was the age range of the people. When their urine were tested, people who had higher levels of phthalates were having more likely chances to have heart diseases than the lower level people. That means this phthalates also plays a very big role when it comes to heart diseases, so that it can also be taken as this phthalates can cause heart diseases and heart attacks in people. So these are the ways how harmfully your body has been affected by those chemicals. Now let's get into the next topic. What are the commonly made mistakes by the people? We use plastic water bottle to drink. That is the most big mistake. And the second thing, we use plastic food containers to eat. That means you are drinking and eating plastic. Yes. And the third thing, we use plastic jugs in our house. We also even drink water can. That means mineral can which is made in plastic, which the mineral can dealer brings when it is exposed in the sunlight. This also causes a lot and lots of problem to the human body. Not only human body, each and every living beings. The point is that we shouldn't even drink water which is stored in a plastic container. But most people make a very big mistake. People pour hot water, people pour warm water in plastic containers or in plastic water bottles. Look how bad it is going to react with the water and the plastic. Not only water, this also applies at the food containers. We shouldn't use plastic food containers for consuming food. When we talk about plastic, we are not talking only about the use and throw plastic which is used in plastic. Instead, we are talking even the qualitiest plastic water can has the same tendency. As I said already, the properties in gold, properties in the silver, as that too, the plastic has that properties. After even few hours, after even few days, when you drink water, those micro kinds of particles will mix into your water and make your water very harmful. So it doesn't make sense when you argue with the quality of the plastic container. Now let's get into the solution for this problem. The only solution for this problem is to throw away your plastic water can or your plastic containers. Use stainless steel and copper water bottles, which can really improve your health and make you healthy. Now, the last step, that means the most important step, the action step. Yeah. Now, most of the people know that the plastic is harmful. Most of the people know that drinking waters in the plastic water bottle is harmful, but people are still committing the same mistake for over the years. What is the reason behind it? There are few companies who want people to drink water and use plastic water cans. Not only plastic water cans, plastic containers. Here we have to understand the marketing and the selling strategy of the plastic companies. Normally, this copper or these stainless steel water bottles or containers are plain, but these plastics are comparatively very fancy and very colorful. People are just attracted to the colors and the fancy designs which the plastic companies make. The only solution for this problem is to use steel, stainless steel, or glass, or copper, or even sand pots are good for your health. These are the four things that you have to use while drinking or consuming food, which will really help your health and it doesn't affect your health. Be the change, make a change. Thank you.